guys. So squishy in here. Ow. Hey guys, we are going to make L.O.L puppets today. So see you in a second. Hi, my name's Maya and I like to dance. Hey! My name's Eva and I like to be singing.
What's up,
And together we like to have fun! Yeah. Nachos with cheese. I'm gonna show you guys how I search up all the L.O.L coloring pages. You don't have to use L.O.L coloring pages. I'm just showing you how I find the L.O.L ones. I'm gonna search up Google on the computer. I like how you spell Google for some reason. It's just weird. Okay, Google.ca. There we go. Look how cute the little freaking earth is. So cute. I'm gonna search up L.O.L little sisters because I want to color a little sister. So L.O.L space lit. Where's the T? Where's the T? Little. After you've put in L.O.L Little Sisters in Google, then you can go to the drop down and it'll finish it for you. It says L.O.L Little Sister Coloring Pages and you can click on it and then it pops up. Then you can go to Images in the menu and then you can scroll down and then you can pick the one that you want. I want this one. She's so cute. After you found the image that you want, you go and click on it and then print it. Here's the little sister I picked for this video. She's sticking her tongue out. I'm going to show you guys what you need to make an L.O.L puppet. And it should be in a pencil case. Do you see anything in there? All I have to do is shake it out. Come on! Why is my boot there? What is going on? Did Eva do this to me? Markers everywhere! My water bottle! How does this whole thing hold all this? Uh-oh. Hurry up! Ow! That hurt! A bunch of this stuff I don't need, so I'm just gonna go put it over here. Lots of this stuff is on the floor! Now that I cleaned this all up and put the other stuff in Eva's pencil case, then now I'm just going to show you what you need. So what you need is some pipe cleaners. You only need one if you're doing one puppet. Okay. And then you need some tape. And then you need some markers. And you need a placemat to draw over so that you don't get it on the table or else your parents will be so mad at you. And you need some L.O.L coloring pages. And you need scissors, but do not use it by yourself. Use it with a parent because they are very sharp. Unless you have some kid scissors, but still. Okay. Prints on them. Okay, now that we're done coloring, I'm gonna cut these puppets out with these scissors. Bigger than the big sister. That's weird, look. The next part we're gonna use pipe cleaners, and that's why I don't cut open this part, because then the pipe cleaner doesn't show as much. And yeah, so she's so cute. High five, girl. Ouch. Okay, I'm just gonna grab some pipe cleaners. I like the white ones better for some reason. I don't know why, I just do. And sometimes if the pipe cleaner is so big, then you can trim it smaller, but I'm just gonna see if it fits on them. So I'm gonna do the baby first because she's so cute. So it fits on the baby, so I'm gonna leave that one. And then I'm gonna try and get a white one. Yay, okay, I got a white one. I'm gonna bend it and kind of open it. Oops, that's the wrong side. And then it's like a little ring, and so then I leave this part out like that, and then I can just put my finger through. What the pipe cleaner's for is so that it can stay on your hand is one reason. And then the other reason is so that the puppet stays up and it isn't all flimsy like this. So if you just put the pipe cleaner, then it stays up like that. And you have to tape it to their back so that it stays. And then I leave this part so that it's like a little ring. Okay, now I'm gonna tape it. So first I'm gonna do the baby. I'm gonna grab the tape, put it on my wrist. And then you'll probably need like 2 pieces of tape for each kind of thing. So I'm gonna, each puppet, like pipe cleaner piece. I don't know how to describe it. And then now I'm gonna tape it up here. So it stays up there. And now I can wear it like this. Oh, her head's flimsy still. I'm going to use another pipe cleaner so that her head isn't flimsy. Look at that. So, there's no more white. Sadness. I'm just going to use this brown one. It isn't actually that bad. It doesn't really matter. This one you won't even see, so. I'm going to take this to the top of her head because, like, it's so flimsy. Ah, it's so annoying. Because she's so big. Here. Her head looks weird. Doesn't this look weird to you? Hello. Okay. Now let's tape the middle so that this part stays. Yeah. Ooh. If there's ever extra tape, you can just fold it into the front. If not, then you can just trim it with scissors because like then it'll bend your doll sometimes. So I'm just gonna trim it with scissors. Ah, does it work? Okay. Yay! So this is our first one. She's so pretty. I love her hair, how I did it. It looks like a unicorn. Oh yeah, I'm a unicorn. Oh yeah. On to Diva now. She's tinier, so I think we'll only need one pipe cleaner. You think that? I don't know. Okay. Ready? So let's tape the top first. You have to tape it on the back of them. That's important so that they aren't flimsy. Because like, who wants a flimsy puppet? Nobody does, right? Right? Like, would you want a flimsy puppet? Because I don't. Ah! Oopsies. Ah! Pretend that never happened. I'm just gonna use 3 pieces of tape. And I'm gonna do it like diagonally. Because it won't fit if I do it the other way. So I'm gonna squish in her butt. Well, yeah, I'm gonna squish it onto her butt instead of outside. Okay, look at how cute she is. And that's how you make a puppet. Remember that you can use any picture like Avengers, Toy Story, like a ladybug, anything you want. Bye! I hope you guys enjoyed our video today. You gotta like us. And if you do like us, give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Comment down below and you can tell us what to do next video.